In front of me is Realme Note 60 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner to use this plus and create a new one. Now set up an hour and hit OK. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. Now you can customize it however you want to. At the top, click on Add Label and name it. Then choose OK. Following that, tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. And to pick a date when you don't want for your alarm to ring, use this plus next to pause alarm. Click on your date and choose OK. To remove it, use remove button next to it. Now thanks to those two options, you can disable or enable Vibrate and Google Assistant routine. Then by tapping on this bell, you can download one of those sound sources and log in by tapping on the chosen one. You can also hit sounds, tap on Add New and pick music from your device. Or simply apply one of those melodies. If you want to hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To switch on or off your alarm, use this switcher next to it. To make some changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. And to get rid of it, click at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!